How communication breakdown? Communication is a process of exchanging thoughts, ideas, and opinion. In order to connect with the other people, its goal is to achieve a clear and effective understanding, resulting to good relationship into the community. However, there are times when this goal is not reached due to the certain factor. When this happens, there is a communication breakdown. Communication breakdown occur when the receiver did understanding the message of the sender. It will likely result of frustration, misunderstanding, or ever conflict. Recognizing the barriers of obstacle to effective communication is important in order to avoid communication breakdown. There are some of the barriers that may cause communication failure. The barriers have four different kinds, will the nicest is classified into three different kinds. What are those? First is physical or physiological barriers. It is the natural or environment condition that act as a barrier in communication. Example of these are this. Second, physiological barriers. It is called as a mental barriers. This refers to social and personal issues of a speaker. Example of these are trauma, sinus, fear. So even stage right. Third is cultural barriers in pertain to communication problem encountered by people regarding their in intrinsic values, belief, and tradition.